a lot of hospitals, okay, fail to make money in PhilHealth because there is this poor understanding on certain concepts, okay? There is this neglect or not prioritizing the understanding of PhilHealth as a social health insurance. So basically, I want everybody to know that PhilHealth is just an insurance. Now, ganito ho yung konsepto. Okay? There are three things that are very critical as an insurance. Okay? First, the concept of risk pooling. Now, what is risk pooling? It's very important ho na alam niyo ito ha, as a POD, ROD. Ang risk pooling ho is that wherein individuals gather together to pool in the resources. Okay? So what does that mean? So lahat ho ng Pilipino, okay, whoever you are, okay, becomes a member of PhilHealth because of universal healthcare, and then we will share our resources. We will pull in our resources. So ano yung resources natin? If member ho kayo ng PhilHealth at nagbabayad kayo ng premium, yung bayad ninyo, we will pull that together. Okay? Gagawa natin ng isang pondo. Okay? As a group, we will pool our funds together. So basically ho, yung funds ni PhilHealth are used to pay the services of the hospital. So because everybody has a share, okay, everybody will pay for premium payment, okay, even the poorest of the poor. Ang poorest of the poor ho, it's the government who pays the premium payment. So, lahat ho tayo mag-ambag-ambag. Okay? We will now pool our resources, and that is money. So, yan ho yung pera ni PhilHealth. Yan ho yung pera ni PhilHealth na pangbayad sa hospital. So, risk pooling basically is all about, okay, we're talking here of public funds. Okay? So, we will gather our resources. The funds will be used to pay for quality service. Which brings us ho ito sa number 2. PhilHealth as an insurance will pay for quality services. Yung services ho ng hospital, saan kayo naka-duty, yung services ninyo, babayaran niya ni PhilHealth. Okay? Yung pangsweldo po sa inyo as POD comes from money from the hospital. And a big chunk, okay, malaking part ho ng pera ni MCDC ay nanggaling ho sa PhilHealth. Now, PhilHealth will just pay MCDC for as long as the hospital will provide quality services. Ganun lang ho kasimple yun. So, health services with proof of standard.